stop for other trains. Oh well, too late. Meanwhile, at the race in New Jersey, oh, you can't get ahead of me. I mean, like, this is a one-way track, you know. I mean, yeah, so, like, you can get in front of me. So, too bad. Hey, I'm in front of you. Oh, too bad. Oh, bye. We're coming up to the top. Ah! Ha ha ha. What? Wow, I guess that must have been a miracle. Oh, well. Oh, we're at the beach. Well, we're out on the beach. I guess we'll stop for a snack. A large pizza, if you please. Do 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 do. Ah, you. Well, at least I have a large pizza and you don't. Great idea. I'll stop and get one in Paris. Italian style. Ha! I went to the drive-thru. So did I. Suckers. Wait, the beep! I'm climbing up Mount Everest so you can't. Ha ha! Oh no, I'm going down Mount Everest! Or can I? I'm going down Mount Everest. Ha ha ha! Take that, suckers. I'm right on your tail, old man. Oh yeah? If I were to describe you, I would say you would look like an old fat lady. Wait, I need to stop and get my food. A number 10 large pizza, please. Suckers. We all live in the yellow submarine. Yellow submarine. Hey, what, no! Second now. You are, I'm still beating you. No! Hey, he didn't stop! Call the cops! I'll get you someday. Oh, yes, can I get extra large fry, please? Do. I think it's you! Well, at least I have a one large fry and you don't. Oh yeah? I still have that one large pizza from a long time ago in the beach zone, remember? I've been saving up. Guys, can I join the race? No! Oh, you guys are me!